guys, so today we are going to continue our science lesson. So we have been talking about different weather patterns that happen. Alright, so now we're going to connect these different weather patterns to different seasons. So we're going to compare the weather patterns that occur from season to season. So when we think about seasons, we think about holidays, right? Yep, so there are many different holidays that happen in different seasons of the year. So right now, I want everyone to close their eyes and imagine their holiday, but don't tell anyone because we're going to try and guess your holiday based on the weather patterns you give us. Alright, so I'll give you a second to think about your holiday and your weather. Alright, so tell me one weather pattern that happens around your holiday. Snowing? Okay, so what holiday could happen when it's snowing? Christmas, right? So when does Christmas happen? Does it happen in spring? Does it happen in fall? It happens in winter, right? Okay, good job. Alright, so tell me one thing that happens around your holiday, and we'll try and guess it, okay? So it's kind of cool. Okay, well, can you give us another hint? It can be foggy. So what could that be? Could it be Halloween? Yeah, okay. So, what season is Halloween in? Fall. Good job. Alright. So, now we're going to move in and I'm going to write one season on the board and I want everyone to participate in giving me different weather and different things that might explain the season so I can write on the board first, okay? Alright, so we're going to start with spring. Okay. Did my order. Alright. So, how does the weather feel during spring? Is it hot? Is it cold? It's cool, right? Yep, it's cool and it can be awesome, but it could be warm, right? Because that's when the flowers start blooming. So we can also put warm. Alright. So what type of weather often occurs in spring? You always carry an umbrella during spring because April showers bring May flowers, right? So what could that be? Rain? Good job. Alright, so now that we have some different weather patterns, let's go into some different activities you can do in spring. You can plant flowers. Can you stop it? Alright class, so now we are going to go into learning about the different weather patterns that happen in the seasons. So the first one we're going to start with is spring. Okay, so I want everyone to give me 3 different types of weather that happen in spring. Warm. Let me get a different color so we can tell the difference. So spring is warm. It's rainy. Good job. And what is one more thing that happens? Sometimes it can get a little windy. Good job. You guys are so smart. Okay, so that's our spring. Do you guys know what months are during spring? You do? Okay, what are they? March, April, May, right? Awesome. Okay. So what season comes after spring? Summer. Good job. That's your favorite season, right? Okay. Let's 3 things about summer. It's hot. Yep. What do you always see on a good summer day? The sun, right? So it's sunny. And sometimes when it's really hot, people say it's what? Do you guys know what it is when there's moisture in the air? It's called humidity. So sometimes summer can be really humid. So that is our 3 things for summer. All right. So what comes after summer? Fall. Good job. Alright, so we'll put fall. What is another word people call fall? You guys know it? Autumn. Good job. So we'll go ahead and put that up here so you guys can know that sometimes fall can also be known as autumn. Alright. So tell me 3 things about fall. It's cool. Yeah. It's cloudy. It's cloudy? Yeah, I would say fall can be kind of cloudy. And what's one thing that goes with Halloween? Fog, right? Yeah, fall mornings can be pretty foggy. Alright, so there's our fall. Okay, so what is our last season? Winter. Good job. Alright. So winter. So tell me 3 things about winter. It's cold. It's very cold, isn't it? Alright. Snowy.
I'm trying to make it work. Oh, he can make it work, but too.
What else happens in winter? It can be pretty cloudy in winter too, huh? Yeah. Okay. Alright.
Attention. Card access will begin in 15 minutes. All non-UNCW patrons must exit the library by this time.
Alright, so now that we've kind of discussed as a class what we think of and what the weather patterns are for each season, we're going to do an activity. So, for example, you are going to get a paper just like this that has 4 different picture frames. So, what you're going to do is, for spring, you can draw a picture of some flowers, but make sure you put some type of weather, one of the 3 that we named. Alright, for summer, you can draw the beach, and you can draw the sun, because summer is sunny. For fall, you can draw pumpkins or anything. And then, but make sure to include the weather, guys. Alright, and for winter, you can draw snow. Alright, and then for winter, you can draw like a snowman, or you can draw a house in the snow, anything that relates to winter weather. Alright, so I'll give you a second to kind of get in your mind of what you're going to draw, and then I'm going to ask some of you for some ideas, okay? Alright, so what are you going to draw for your summer box? You're going to draw the beach. Alright, so I'm going to write that up here, okay? So for the summer box, that's a good one. So how are you demonstrating the weather on the beach? You're going to draw the sun. Awesome, because it's sunny in the summer. Alright. So what are you going to draw for the fall? You're going to draw yourself trick-or-treating. Okay, that's a good one. But how are you going to show the weather? You're going to make it foggy? That's good. So, trick-or-treating. And then we're doing foggy.
Why you gotta stretch?
Alright. So, I'll leave the rest up to you guys and let me know if you have any questions, okay?